In this video, I'm going to talk about the Franklin Covey planner app called Living the 7 Habits. I'm going to discuss how to use this free app to build your personal mission statement. This is so important because your personal mission statement defines your why you are here and your purpose of living. And we're going to start right now. Hi everybody, my name is Tanya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, and I'm so excited. If this is your first time here and you enjoy learning about time management, please be sure to click the red subscribe button below. Have you ever felt unfulfilled, like you were just going through the motions of every day, going through your normal routine, but inside felt like something was missing? I believe that this is how people end up depressed. Well, today I'm going to show you an app that will help you build your personal mission statement. So when you're feeling down, you can refer to your personal mission statement as sort of a booster to help lift you up. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is download the app. You can get the app from your Play Store if you have an Android or the App Store if you have an Apple product. So in the Play Store, you can type in Franklin Covey. And the app should pop up, Living the 7 Habits. You click on that. And I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to click open. If this is your first time downloading the app, you may have to register. Now, the app opens up on your daily boosters. Boosters are quotes or some type of inspirational statements that the app will give you a notification for each day. So this is today's booster. And as you can see at the bottom, this booster today relates to Habit 7, Sharpen the Saw. So this app reminds you of the 7 habits so you can incorporate those into your everyday life. Now, if you go over into the upper left-hand corner, you will see the menu. This is pretty much everything this app has to offer. You have the daily habits, which again, you'll get a notification once a day to remind you or to focus on a particular habit from the 7 habits of highly successful people. There's a mission statement builder, there are insights to 100 challenges, there's a community section, and then there's a store section. Now, in the daily boosters section, if you like, you can click this little star here if you come across one day that you really like, or maybe you're you like to, if you're like me, I like to collect quotes. So I like to star the ones that I really like so I can go back and maybe add them to the quote section in my planner. So going back to the menu here, let's click on the mission statement building. And here is where you're going to build your personal mission statement. And it's really easy. It asks you some questions and you just answer these questions about yourself. So it has different sections. So the first section that comes up is about performance. So your personal mission statement should have something to do with performance. For example, the question under here says, I am at my best when, and you will fill in the answer. I put, I am at my best when I am helping people. And then there's another question, I am at my worst when, and I put when I'm sleepy or hungry. I know that kind of sounds funny, but it's true. So there are different sections in here. I'm not going to go through each question because you could do that. But the next section is questions on passion. Then it's on talents. Your personal mission statement should include your talents. Imagination. And this one is really good because this one is a question about, look, if I had unlimited time, if I had unlimited money and resources, what would I be doing? And this is a great question to ask yourself when you are creating your personal mission statement. There's a section on vision. There's a section on character, contribution, your conscience, influence, and there's a section on balance. Now, at the end here, I just put the word test in a lot of these because, you know, everyone's personal mission statement is really personal, so I didn't want to show that. But after you finish completing all of the questions, then you'll hit this banner down below that says Create My Mission Statement. And when you do that, it creates your mission statement. So you can print this off, you can hang it up in your bedroom, in your bathroom, someplace that you can refer to it often. I plan to print mine off and place it in my binder in my planner. So you can always go back and edit your mission statement, or you can go back to the questions. So and I want to show you one more section of this app. It's called Insights to 100 Challenges. So the Franklin Covey Company, they determined that there are specific areas where most people struggle in, and these are the areas. These are people's challenges. So, for example, people feel challenged in growth and change. They have challenges in personal leadership, maintaining balance and peace. People struggle with family, people struggle with marriage, with parenting, relationships with others, relationships on the job, organizational effectiveness, and managerial effectiveness. Now let's just click on one real quickly for an example. Let's click on marriage. So if you click on marriage, these are some topics that they put under here. So suppose you're struggling a particular day and you're, with the topic of marriage. You can come here and look for inspiration. So let's click on the first one, which says falling out of love. And it offers a couple of paragraphs to help refocus you when it comes to that particular topic. Now let's go back to the main menu. So this is pretty much the app. The second section I'm not going to go into is community. If you want, you can go out there and post a message in the community, and then there's also a section on the store. Okay, final note, for those of you who use the Franklin Covey planner system like I do, I have the starter pack. Let me show you that. By the way, this is my Franklin Covey leather Aurora binder. And if you get the starter pack, it includes some inserts on values, mission, and goals. And I have a section, let me just show you. The app closely resembles the inserts. So if you are like me and you already have the inserts, like this, these are the inserts that talk about your values, and there are also inserts that talk about roles. These will help you complete your personal mission statement. They very closely tie together. You don't have to have one to complete the other, but I found it very easy to answer these questions because I already answered them in the Franklin Covey planner pages. So please let me know if you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, and please let me know if you have any suggestions for videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.